Hello, good day. I am Ian King Mars Pimentel Mayaki of Bacob 1C. And to my instructor, hello, Ma'am Erms. I would like to share one of the dilemma of academic honesty I was experienced during my college days. You know what? One day, one of my close classmates, a friend of mine, forgot to study for a major exam and asked me to let him copy my answers. I was torn between helping my friend and staying true to my values. This situation directly relates to immoral development, as my decisions would reflect my stage of moral reasoning. So, to make the best choice, I unknowingly follow the 7 step moral reasoning model. And number one is I gather the facts. I assess the situations. My friend was unprepared and the exam was important and cheating was against the rules. So I also considered our teacher's strict policies and the potential consequences if we got caught. And number two is determine the ethical issue. I know that the core dilemma was whether I should help my friend at the cost of compromising my integrity or to stay honest and potentially disappoint them. But you know what? In the number three is I considered the options. I had several choices. Number one, I let my friends cheat. Number two, refuse to help completely. Or number three, offer a middle ground solutions like tutoring them for a future exam instead. And number four is to weigh the consequences. If I allowed my friend to cheat, they might pass the test but would not learn responsibility, and we could both face consequences if caught. If I refuse, my friend might feel betrayed, but they would also learn an important lessons about accountability. And number five is making a decision. I chose not to let them copy my answer, but instead encourage them to do their best on their own and offered to help them to study for the next coming exam. And with that, number six is I act on that decisions. I firmly told my friends, I cannot let you copy, but I help you prepare next time. So it quite they were disappointed at first, but they respected my honesty. And last is I reflect on the outcome. Looking back, I know I made the right choice. I stayed true to my values, avoided possible consequences, and helped my friends in a way that actually benefited them into the long run. I realized that these situations also required immoral courage, choosing what was right even when it was difficult. It wasn't easy to say no, but I realized that real friendship is built on honesty, not shortcuts. The 7 step moral reasoning model helped me to know the ethical dilemma, proving that the taking the time to reflect leads to a better decisions. So that's all, Mom Herbs. Thank you so much and God bless you.